anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, there's loads of people know about it now. TikTok, Clapper, places like that. Because I'm pretty good at doing that.
Right. So I guess from here now, what you need to do is you just need to build the product, right?
Well, the different segments like your React, CSS, and there's another one there, PHP. Never came across it, just like CSS. So I was chatting to my brother today, and the course I was doing with web development, back on that tomorrow morning, and it might give us a few little tidbits of like how to change stuff.
Yeah. I mean, so what do you need help with now? What's not working with?
Well, it's just that I think it is. I've got something written down. Oh, here it is. I've got a 404 error code, a 406, a 409, and a 403. And I think the 403 is to do with a timeout.
Right. So you
But
need to
that's
fix each error one by one. So first of all, have you created like the backend API? Have you created that?
that's what Supabase is for. They to
Have you
do
you
the.
need you need to create it, right? Superbase isn't just gonna do it all for you.
Oh, so you've got to create it as well.
Well, you've got to create your own API calls, like Superbase is just like an authentication system, if I'm right. I'm not sure. I've never used Superbase. I use Fire. Yeah, but obviously, yeah, so there's a database which is blank, and then you have the authentication system. You need to build a middle part which talks to the authentication and the database.
Is
Is that
that
right,
the
Pablo?
API agent thing? Is that
Well,
what you
yes, you
mean?
need to build your own API. What I recommend you try, I don't really recommend Superbase. I recommend Firebase. It's made by Google and it's a lot more simple to use and easy user friendly.
Firebase, yes, yes, I have. I've got that. I was using that for something, and I got an email about it, so I thought I'd try it. So if
Right.
I pull it through there into Firebase, then there's a good chance.
Um, I mean,
There's
the
still a lot of work to do in the
still a
middle
lot of
though.
work. Yeah, in that middle part where you're telling what should happen, like once you register or when you log in, or you need to create that.
I think altogether there's 400 lines out of 7,173 that are bad. And because of that, yeah, I didn't do too bad. Because if it had been like messy, um, it would have been a bit higher than 400 plus. Do you know what I mean?
Right, let's do this. So, what pages do you have right now, Paul? What pages have you created? There,
Well,
when I mean like
the only one I've got on Superbase is Seeking You, and it
yeah. So I
is
mean, on Seeking You, what pages do you have active? You have like the home page. You've created like a simple login page, a
it's
register page,
just
right?
the when I if I type it into search bar, it'll. I wasn't expecting that one. Um, yeah, the when I www dot it, it'll come up with a page, and then it doesn't matter what I try to put in for the to sign up, it's error.
Yeah. So I asked what pages have you currently created? So you've created the home page, a login page, and a register page, right?
I would think there's the landing page, if that's correct, for the first thing you see. Then you've
Yep.
got your sign up or register page, and I haven't got beyond that.
Right. Okay. So I think what you need to do is so what do you want to do? Do you want to go through the Firebase option, or do you want to go through the Superbase option?
Is it easy to pull it into Firebase?
I think Firebase is easy. Just because it's made by Google, they have a lot of easier like onboarding
I'll
systems. It's a lot
certainly
easier.
give it a try. Yeah, I'll certainly give it a try.
So first thing you need to do then is log on to Firebase and create an account and create a project. Send you the URL now for Firebase.
I've got it.
All right, perfect. So yeah, if you go onto there and if you create an account, um, then you should be able to create a Firebase project.
Build products, app check, app hosting, authentication. That's the
Are you able
authentication
to
part.
screen share, or Paul? Because obviously I'm just going blind here. I can't really see what you're doing.
Yeah. One second, I'll have to go live on mobile.
No, I mean you
You
should
can
be
do
able
it
to
in
screen
Discord.
share. On Discord, there's a screen share button.
Is it?
Yeah, so you can share your screen so we can see it.
One sec. Oh yeah, share screen. All
Yeah,
right,
so if you
okay.
click that, you can show us your screen so we know what you're we can see what you're doing if you do anything wrong.
Yeah. So I've just opened that Firebase. Select a tab to share to. That will be to.
Right, perfect.
So,
Yep, so if you go to console, and you create your first project, or you've got Seeking You there, so if you click Seeking You. Right. The only problem here is because you're on the screen share, you might show some codes that shouldn't be seen, which I'm just a bit worried about.
right.
Let me see. I'm just checking on my side if there's any codes that get shown.
What's this? See how much it's going to charge.
Yeah, don't worry, it's gonna be you won't have any costs at the moment. If you scale and when you go big, then you can upgrade. Don't need to for now.
Right. So,
So now what you need to do is on your actual project, you're seeking new code. You need to create what's called a Firebase functions folder, like the functions section. So, I mean, Bokbok, have you done this before? Have you
you
created
mean
a
on build?
No, within your actual code, this would be. This is just. I just wanted to make sure you got this set up, which you have.
Right.
Yeah, I don't want to carry on with this because it's going to show all of his tokens and someone's going to fuck it
Right.
up.
Well, I'm just going to like push that. So I thought I had it. And yeah, come but I'll jump back in. Yeah, the thing is that there's there's a bill on Superbase. It's got like the receipt thing at the top in red, and that's $59 and
Yeah, fuck
89
them, Paul. They're not
cents.
going to do shit, mate. Just leave them now. You're moving to Firebase anyway.
Well, I mean that one that's on there at the moment. I've actually like I'll do that first thing in the morning where I've got a clear head because I'm a bit podged at the minute from some biscuits. I had a couple of some biscuits, but like I say, this project is important. And what I thought was the mess up with this project was the integration of a cryptocurrency wallet, where you had to like have like the different versions of the wallet itself. I thought that was what mucked it all up.
No, you're fine, Paul. Just build it slowly, and then obviously in the future you can integrate all these things. But for now, let's just get your login system working, and yeah, you shouldn't have an issue. So now when you go back to AI and you ask it, tell it that you need to build a register system using Firebase. Tell it that you created a Firebase project and you need to move over from here, and it should tell you what to do step by step.
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, the thing is that CQ that was done with Bolt, and there's also one on Claude as well. Claude 3.7, I think it is.
There's many, yeah.
Yeah, I was just testing some out. You know what I mean, to see which one was like going to give me some code,
Yeah,
and Bolt was definitely that.
yeah. I don't know if you maybe I recommend using Cursor. Cursor is good because it can access your full codex.
Well, Windsurf's almost the same. I was using that the other day, Windsurf, and it seemed pretty easy. There's one major problem though, and hopefully tomorrow morning, um, it's something to do with your. I'm not allowed to do scripts, if you understand that term. And
No, I don't.
right, there's a block on doing a script on my terminal, and I'll I'll go through it again tomorrow. And I thought that might help because what I was trying to do at the time was load in the npm thing.
Yeah,
Or you don't need a script for that. You can just do that on the terminal. It's just you don't need a script. It's just one line.
Oh, just one line. That's not
yeah.
too
It's
bad.
it's just npm run dev. That's it.
Run dev.
Yeah, npm run dev on your Visual Studio terminal. That's all you have to do.
Right. If you could message me that here, then
Uh, you
I'll
need to
pick
unban
that
me on
up.
YouTube first, though.
You what?
You need to unban me.
I'll send you, mate. I'll send you, Paul. Don't worry.
Yeah. I'll send it to you, but like, I need to get unbanned. You tried to sign me up, but you banned me instead.
So if I did that, how are you still here?
No, on YouTube.
Of YouTube. Well, I only ever ban bad people on there.
No, you banned me by accident, and you were meant to ban someone else, and they were still typing.
Well, possible. I mean, like I say, I mean, this project is going to need a load of help, and yeah, I'm grateful for the help.
No, I think you'll be able to do it. I think you just stuck at this authentication point. It's normally the hardest point, I think, anyway. Setting the authentication system up. Then once that's done, you can build easy.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping the separate environments like your business suite, your tourism bits and pieces. I hope they're in there as well because that's what I asked for. It was like almost the same as both Facebook and TikTok, just better.
Right. Okay. Right, Paul. I'm gonna let you go now because I've got to do some of my own work. Um,
So
but yeah,
which time's going to be better for you tomorrow? Is it 11:30 a.m. or is it 7 o'clock?
7 we work, so I can't go for that. I have a job.
7
this time
o'clock.
is good.
7.
Right. Sweet. I mean, thank you very much and much appreciated. Let's say, within the next 30 days, we'll get Seeking You up and running.
Yes, then I can
Yeah.
find a wife.
Well, I'm sure you will. I mean, what you got to look at is this: those people who help, you're getting a slice of the pie, and you know, doing this AI thing, it's a big pie. But thank you all.
Indeed, indeed.
Anyway,
Right, Paul. In a bit, mate.
in a bit.